Hello, here is a quick overview of what's inside my Google Maps Travel Hacks course. On the left is essentially your table of contents. Each of these modules has bite-sized lessons underneath it. So for example, here is a lesson which has a short video to watch, as well as a link to the written transcript in case you prefer to read. This lesson actually has two different videos, part 1 and part 2, and then many of the lessons include some suggestions to try on your own, and this will help you practice and really digest the information so it sticks with you when you travel, so you can go through these modules and tutorials at your own pace. Everything is on demand for you. So if you can click play on a video, then you have the tech skills to follow this online course. I do have some other tips for taking the course, which is that you can slow down the videos if you need to. You can activate subtitles. So if you do have any concerns, just come to this tips for using the course section or email us and we're happy to help. And then once you're done with the lesson, click continue and that will take you to the next one.